Hi, good afternoon. My name is Michael Kingen, and I'm the president of the Wound Ostomy Continence Certification Board. I'm pleased to be here this afternoon to announce the 2021 WOCNCB Employer Recognition Award recipient. We started this program in 2008, and I'm pleased to say that this is our 13th year. We had a number of highly qualified applications, and all of the applications were reviewed in a standardized format by our Wound Ostomy Continence Award committee members. This year's candidate started their WOC program in 1981 by supporting an RN to attend ET or interstomal training. She then returned to the hospital and immediately began setting up specialty services. Since then, the hospital has grown in size and the WOC service has grown in scope. They've increased staffing to 3 full-time positions as well as a per diem position. They serve all inpatient units. They offer outpatient wound ostomy and continence clinic, and they offer same-day consults for all specialty outpatient clinic settings. Recently, in 2018, they began a Skin Champion program, naming 60 RNs and respiratory therapists to attend the Wound Treatment Associate program. Since attending the program, they've managed to decrease their number of hospital-acquired pressure injuries by 67%. The hospital supports the next generation of wound ostomy and continence nurses by continuing to support 2 preceptorship programs, a practice that they were able to continue during the pandemic. They also have recently supported all of their WOC team members to be tri-certified in the wound ostomy and continence specialist. Additionally, they support the team in ongoing specialty education by attending conferences to address specialty needs. This year, I'm pleased to announce this year's awardee is the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles. Congratulations. And next, we're going to hear from the WOCNCB Award Committee nomination members.
Hi there, my name is Jessica Simmons, and I am on the Nominations and Awards Committee of the Wound Ostomy Continence Nursing Certification Board. And I want to wish the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles a huge congratulations on being selected for the Employer of the Year Award. Thank you for all that you do to support our nurses specializing in wound ostomy continence nursing and all that you do to promote the value of certification. Thank you.
My name is Holly Hovan, and I am one of the members of the WOCNCB Board of Directors. I also serve on the Awards and Nominations Committee and had the pleasure of reviewing some really great applications with our group for the Employer Award nomination. We wanted to take a moment to congratulate the winner and present just a little speech to you virtually of the great work that you do and let you know that you are recognized. So first, I'll start by saying thank you. Thank you for taking the time to nominate your organization and recognize the nurses that you work with. I know writing the application process is a little bit time consuming, and it takes time out of your workday and away from patients at times, and oftentimes you have to sit down at home and kind of put your thoughts together. So thank you for taking the time to do that. And also thank you for employing 7 WOCNCB certified nurses, along with putting over 60 employees through the WTA program. That's great. I saw in your application also that you reduced your happy rate by 67% through the WTA program after you trained lots of your staff. So that is awesome. Thank you. Additionally, I see that your organization does a really great job with displaying the WOCNCB credentials, recognizing staff who are certified, and recognizing staff through the career ladder as well. So thank you. Additionally, I see that there is support for outside educational opportunities like a colorectal conference that one of your staff attended to provide better care to the pediatric colorectal population. So that is great. Thank you. And also thank you for still training and precepting new WOC students during the pandemic. Lots of things have to be done virtually, such as our presentation here. It would be great if we could present it to you guys in person, but unfortunately, here we are. So thank you again for all that you do. Thank you for taking the time to recognize your organization and writing it up. And thank you for sharing all the great things that the WOCNCB certified nurses within your organization are doing. So again, congratulations, and thank you for all that you do for our WOC patient population and your staff.
Hello, my name is Shawn Meadows, and I'm on the WOCN Certification Board and serve on the Nominations and Awards Committee, and I was one of the reviewers of the Employee Award applications. I am honored to congratulate the Children's Hospital of Los Angeles as this year's awardee of the WOCN-CB Employers Award for their outstanding support of WOCN certifications. I'm especially impressed with the support you offer for encouraging and funding pediatric training needs directly related to wounds, ostomy, and continence. You have truly demonstrated your commitment to WOCN education and certification by doubling the size of your WOC nurse team and incorporation of the wound treatment associates as skin champions throughout your organization. Congratulations again, and best wishes for all of your future endeavors.
Hello, my name is Brent Real. I am a certified wound ostomy continence nurse and a certified wound specialist. And I am very, very pleased and excited to be able to assist Children's Hospital Los Angeles in accepting the WOCN-CB Employer Award for this year. And I think that I'm very proud of our organization being able to obtain this award, being part of their efforts to support the nursing staff within their own organization, and to follow the WOCNCB credentialing and mission statements is just such a proud, heartwarming thing to be a part of. I know that this process started not just recently, but this type of support within the organization really goes back decades. To when the organization first sponsored our first ET nurse to go through school at USC's program. And it kind of carried the legacy on from there. That particular nurse, Beth Harrison, who has since retired, she really had a vision and a dream for CHLA to grow with a Skin Champion program and with more certified individuals assisting our patient population in preventing pressure injuries and just kind of exposing more education opportunities for them. And the organization also supported that dream and idea. And so over the last couple of years, they have really made strides in paying for many of our bedside nurses to become WTA certified, or if they didn't become certified, at least go through the WOCN training program for the WTA. And all of that really has transpired into a safer facility, a facility that really understands the benefit and potential of certification. And again, this effort was not just from one person, it was from many. I know I mentioned our retired founding ET nurse, Beth Harrison, but there's many individuals that helped through our hack group, as well as senior leadership, to include Edelyn Solis, Jennifer Pugh, and many other managers throughout the intensive care units in the hospital and the bedside units. So I, again, really want to thank all of those individuals for being able to help this organization obtain this award. I really think that it was very well deserved, and I continue to remain excited for how this facility will continue to grow and maintain that respect for WOCN CB certified nurses. Thank you guys so much.
My name is Teresa Renteria, and I'm a wound ostomy continence nurse here at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. And it's an honor to be a member of our wound ostomy continence team and to be a part of CHLA. I'm so happy that we were able to nominate our organization and that we were able to just be part of this wonderful organization that supports not just the wound ostomy continence team, but all of nursing. I am just so proud of all of our team members and the hard work that they put in to our team's efforts. And I have seen the organization support us wholeheartedly in the last few years to get our WTA program started and our skin champions, and really do some wonderful things and empower our nurses to really take the knowledge that we've been able to provide for them and just provide the best patient care possible. And I'm just so honored to be part of that process. And I thank Children's Hospital Los Angeles for being just the very special place that it is, and just how we come together as an organization to provide the best care for our patients and families. And there's just no other place, at least in my career, that I've had the honor to work for. So I'm just so happy to be here and to be part of this process, and that CHLA is recognized with this award. And I just want to just say thank you again for the opportunity to be here and just recognize the great work that Children's Hospital Los Angeles does on a daily basis, and especially during this past year and couple of years, really, and for our efforts that we have done towards providing good wound, ostomy, and continence care for our patients.
Hello, my name is Jennifer Pugh, Executive Director of Advanced Practice and Critical Care here at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. I'm so excited to be on the receiving end of our Employee of the Year award for the Wound Ostomy Continence Nursing Certification Board. I was an integral member of Champion the Skin Champion program here for our nurses, in which I'm so proud to say the certification allowed them to have better understanding and confidence within their skill set. Thank you so much.
I'm Dr. Rhonda Foster, Chief Nursing Officer and Vice President for Clinical Services at Children's Hospital Los Angeles. On behalf of our entire team, I'd like to thank the Wound, Ostomy, and Continence Nursing Certification Board for choosing CHLA as the recipient of this year's Employer Recognition Award. This award is a testament to our commitment and the commitment of our team members across the entire organization, across all disciplines, across to improving patient care. We are proud that an essential part of our commitment is ensuring that patients have access to specialized nursing that they need, including wound, ostomy, and continence care. Children's Hospital of Los Angeles recognizes the importance of recruiting and retaining certified wound, ostomy, and continence care nurses and supporting other nurses in championing this specialty by taking additional training as well as certification exams. We have those courses have significantly reduced our rate of hospitalized acquired injuries. We have our nurses and teams that we have specialized training, and they need to provide their patients and the care that they deserve. We've been able to be comprehensive and inclusive so that everyone is completely aware of the importance of skin integrity, even our interdisciplinary partners. An employer recognition award like this is not possible without the exemplary work of our team members. Thank you to the entire wound care team for your knowledge, your guidance, your dedication to improving health and quality of life for the children in our care. Thank you to our Chief Clinical Officer, Nancy Lee, for leading by example and always challenging the organization to do better. A special thank you to Jennifer Pugh, Executive Director of Advanced Practice in Critical Care, for leading initiatives that have raised the bar in keeping children safe. And thank you to all of our team members who have found ways to improve care. Never has there been a more true example of putting action behind our words. This is so important, and I am especially pleased that we've been honored to receive this award, and it's beautiful, by the way. Thank you again for honoring Children's Hospital Los Angeles with this prestigious award.